Hi, this is John from Hula Boat Care, here to talk to you today about RAD Clean All Protect, the approved cleaner of GatorStep Surfaces. When cleaning typical messes like footprints, RAD Clean All Protect would be a very simple product to use on GatorStep surfaces. A quick spray and wipe will remove most light dirt and grime. If a mess occurs from dropped and crushed snacks, remove the debris, and with a quick spray of RAD Clean All Protect, you can easily mop up any of the stains in the surface. Be sure to wipe in the direction of the grain to remove all stains. Finally, common beverages that get spilt in boats are sometimes difficult to remove. A wine spill can penetrate the GatorStep surface, leaving a deep stain. If something like that happens, use a towel to blot the surface and absorb as much of the wine as you can as soon as possible. For the remainder of the stain, spray RAD Clean All Protect around the stain first and then the center part of the stain, so it prevents the wine from bleeding out. You can either blot the surface or carefully wipe in line with the grain to absorb all the remaining product. If you're interested in purchasing RAD Clean All Protect, you can find it at GatorStep's website or at hulaboatcare.com.